Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Skool to build a membership business. If you want recurring income online, this is one of the easiest ways to start. First, sign up on Skool and create your community. This is where your members will join, interact, and access your content. Next, pick a niche people are willing to pay for. This could be business, fitness, freelancing, or anything that helps solve a real problem. Now, create ongoing value. Post regularly, share lessons, answer questions, and keep your community active. The goal is to give members a reason to stay subscribed. Then set up your membership pricing. Choose a monthly fee and give paying members access to exclusive content and discussions. Finally, promote your membership and focus on retention. Bring in new members through social media and keep them engaged with regular updates and value. And that's it. Building a membership business with Skool is really that simple. Create value, grow your community, and build consistent monthly income.